Hi guys, my name is Kishana and this is my first video. Hope I can get a lot of likes and subscribers. So I'm gonna be doing mostly slime videos. I do slime videos on Saturday and Sunday. It's Friday today, just I was thinking about starting a YouTube video. I have TikTok, but I'll show you my account tomorrow. And I'm also gonna be here on Sunday with something new to share every day. I'm mostly showing slime. So this is a light pink slime with silver glitter. Before I put in the silver glitter, it turned it into kind of gray, so I had to add a lot of paint. I will be showing you a lot of DIYs and books to make, like mini books. So
I got you.
it is a really good slime, guys. I will seriously be showing slime not every day, but every Saturday and Sunday, guys.
First thing you gotta learn is
it's like a spirit of my hand. You have that, I put my hand down, you put your hand away.
Tickets to what? I can't take this over. Come on.
Oh yeah, in the comment, can you guys comment if you have ever been to a vacation where you had the best time ever and you really want to go again?
Never say never.
It is also really good to make bubbles with. Okay, I'm going to try making a swirl now. Takes a long time to make a swirl, so I'm just going to be busy talking to you guys. Like blah, 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 blah. When you make a swirl, it's mostly like, I have no idea. Like a froyo, like a swirl on top of a froyo. I love froyo with gummy bears. Okay, I feel like eating froyos now.
Okay, let me go draw. I'm using it to see how to draw.
You see those lines on it? It's really cool, right? Okay, let's do that 2 more times. 1, 2. My God, guys, look at this. It looks cool, right? I love it. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video, and bye-bye. I'll make a bubble for you by the time. Okay. Did you see that tissue down there, move? It was because, I don't think you guys saw that right. If you didn't, I'll do a replay of it, but it won't be the same height, maybe bigger. Okay guys, ready? Here. This is really cracky. I love this slime. It is my favorite slime, which I showed on my first video. Okay, bye guys.